Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another tutorial, and today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a star granny square. We'll need a yarn, a 3.5mm hook, and you also need a scissor. So these are all the materials you need. Now, since the strands of the yarn are very tiny, I'm going to be doubling mine, but you can choose to use any yarn of your choice with the appropriate hook. First thing you're going to do, you are going to make a magic ring, and this is how I make mine. You're going to cross your yarn like this, and then you're going to place your hook here, and you take it just as seen in the video, and then you're going to chain one to secure. Now you're going to make 2 more chains, and then you make 14 double crochet inside this magic ring. This is the first one, this is the second one. So you're going to make 12 more double crochets inside this magic ring. Now in total, I have 14 double crochets inside the magic ring. After you might have done that, you're going to take this yarn here and you're going to squeeze like this. And then the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to make a slip knot on the 3rd chain. Now we are done making the circle, and we're going to proceed in making the star. Now you chain 5, and then you skip this first one here, this chain here, you skip the last chain here, and you go through the second chain and you make a single crochet. Now you go to the next chain and you make a half double crochet, and you go to the next chain and you make a double crochet, and then you go to the next chain and you make a triple crochet. So you're going to count 1, 2, and on the 3rd one you are going to make a slip stitch like this. Now you're going to chain 5, and then you skip the last chain stitch, and on the second one you're going to make a single crochet, and then on the next one you make half double crochet, and then on the next one you make a double crochet, and then on the next one you make a triple crochet. And then you count 1, 2, and on the 3rd one you make a slip stitch. So you are going to repeat that 3 more times, and I'll meet you at the end. Now this is the last one. I count 1, 2, and this is where you have to place your hook. Now after doing this, you're going to chain 1 and you cut out your yarn, and then you pull it out and you draw your yarn to this direction, so in order for it to be very secured. So this is basically how to crochet a star. Now for the next part, you're going to take the next color of your choice, and then on this space here you're going to place your hook, and then you take your yarn and then you pull in your yarn and you chain 1 to secure that yarn. Now you're going to make a half double crochet into the next stitch, and then on the next stitch you're going to make a double crochet, and then you're going to make a triple crochet on the next stitch. Now for the next part here, we are going to be joining 2 triple crochets together, and this is how to go about it. You are going to yarn over twice, you place your hook, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. At this point here, you're going to yarn over twice again, and on the next stitch here you're going to place your hook and you pull through, and then you pull through 2, and then you pull through 2. You're going to be left with just 3 yarn on your hook. You're going to pull through all. Now we've successfully joined 2 triple crochets together. Now on the next stitch you're going to make another triple crochet the normal way, and then on the next stitch you're going to make a double crochet, and then on the next stitch here you're going to make a half double crochet. Now you go to the next one here and you make a single crochet, and then on the next one you make a half double crochet, and then on the next one here you make a double crochet, and then on the next one here you make a triple crochet. Now we are going to be joining 2 triple crochets together. I'll repeat this for the last time. You yarn over twice and you place your hook here, you pull through 2, you pull through 2, you yarn over twice again, you go to the next one here, you pull through 2, and you pull through 2. You're going to be having 3 yarns on your hook. You're going to pull through all. Now you go to the next one and you make a treble crochet. You go to the next one and you make a double crochet. You go to the next one and you make half double crochet. Now here you're going to make just a single crochet. Now you're going to continue this process on, and I'll meet you at this point here. So I've come to the last part here and I'm just going to make a half double crochet. Now I'm going to be making a slip stitch into the chain stitch we made here. Now you should notice how I'm making it. I'm not just going like this. This is where I'm placing my hook. After doing that, you chain 1. Now we've come to the end of this row, and so far this is how it's supposed to be looking. I heard this called a pentagram, I don't know, but this is how your work's supposed to be looking. We need to start forming the squares, and to do that, this is how we're going to be going about it. You make a half double crochet into the next stitch. Please watch where I'm placing my hook. I'm not placing my hook here, I'm placing my hook on this space. You make a half double crochet, and then on the next stitch you make a double crochet, and then on the next stitch you make a triple crochet, and then on the next stitch again you're going to make a triple crochet. Now we need to start forming corners for our square. So to do that, you're going to chain 2, and on that same stitch you're going to make another triple crochet. Now you go to the next stitch and you make a triple crochet, and to the next stitch you make a double crochet, and then to the next stitch you make a half double crochet. Now you're going to make 3 single crochet. This is 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to repeat this process again. You start by making a half double crochet, and then the next one you make a double crochet, and then on the next one you make a triple crochet, and then on the next one again you're going to make a triple crochet, and then you're going to chain 2, and then on that same space you're going to make a triple crochet again, and then on the next one you're going to make a triple crochet, and then you make a double crochet on the next one, and then a half double crochet on the next one, and then you make 3 single crochets. So here we go, we have our first corner and then we have our second corner. So we are going to be repeating this pattern all up to this point, and I'll meet you at the end. Now I'm approaching the ending part here. By now I'm doing the half double crochet. Now I'm going to do my first single crochet, this is my second single crochet, and then this is my third single crochet. Now for the last single crochet, I'm going to place my hook into this space, and then I'm going to pull it through all around like this. So this is how our work should be looking. Now you're going to chain 1 and you cut out this yarn over here, you pull out, and then you pull your yarn to that direction. Now I've come to the end of making the 4 corners of the square, so we're going to proceed in making a ribbing for the work. Now for this ribbing part, you're going to place your hook on any of the corner here, and you're going to make a loop, and then you tie. Now to start this part, you're going to place your hook and curl up your yarn, and you're going to chain 2. Now on that same space, you're going to make 1 half double crochet. Now on the next space here, you're going to make a single crochet. You go to the next one, you make a single crochet. You're going to make a single crochet all up till you get to this point here. And when you've gotten to this point, the total number of your single crochets is supposed to be 11, so you take note of that. Now on the next corner, you're going to make 3 half double crochets. Now on the stitch here, you're going to make a single crochet, and then you go to the next one and you repeat that until you get to this point. Now when you've gotten to this point, you're going to make 3 half double crochet on that corner stitch. So you're going to repeat this pattern for this line here and for this line here, and I'll meet you at the end. Now when you've gotten to the end here, you are just going to make 1 half double crochet to that corner space. Now on this space here, you are just going to place your hook like this, and you make a slip stitch, and then you chain 1 and you cut out your yarn. So we've come to the end of this tutorial, and I really hope you do enjoy this tutorial. So let me know in the comments what you'll be doing with your own Star Granny square. As for me, I've made a lot already because I want to use mine to make a shrug, which I will be uploading in my next video. So kindly subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on that, and don't forget to hit the like button so this video get recommended to other people. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.